Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. It's Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. Listen, I was thinking, what can I do this year? Bun and cheese, fish, Good Friday, everything. I was thinking, bun and cheese. And then I thought, then I got it. Bun and cheesecake. That is it, people. This is what you're gonna need for your bun and cheesecake. You understand? Yeah, man, you're gonna need some unsalted butter. You're gonna need some cream cheese. You're gonna need some mascarpone cheese. You're gonna need some bun, obviously. You're gonna need some digestive biscuits and some vanilla extract. This is quite a simple recipe today, people. So, yeah, man, let's get into it. Bun and cheesecake. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to get 700 grams of digestive biscuits and you need to crush them up. But what we're going to do is we're going to crush it up with the spice bun. You know what I'm saying? So the bun is going to be part of the base of the cheesecake. You understand? We've got a proper national bun, original from yard. You see me? It's Easter. You know what I'm saying? So happy Easter, everybody. Big up yourselves. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're going to try and probably crush up maybe 400 grams, maybe 4,500 grams of the digestive biscuit, and then add that to get the 700 grams that we need. So right now, people, I'm just crushing out the digestives, and then I'm gonna see how many grams of this we got and what we need to add with a bun. You know what I'm saying? But this all needs to be nice and fine before we start that. So, bun and cheesecake. I'm an absolute madman. You don't need 700. You need 200 grams. I've just mashed up about 700 grams worth of digestives. You need 200 grams of digestives. So we're going to use about 130 of the what we got already, and now we're gonna mix in the bun. You know what I'm saying? Just chopped off piece of the bun there, people. So we're just gonna crumble it up as much as we can and try and make it as the more we put it in with the digestives, it would dry up with it. Well, I hope so. So that's the next step. I've got digestives all over my hands. Been mashing up their digestives. But yeah, the bun is going to go in next. I'm just going to crumble this up and then weigh how much is there. That is it, people. Do you know what? It's actually working a lot better than I thought it would. It kind of just crumbles in your hand like that. So good vibes. I don't think we're going to need much more in there, to be honest. I definitely think we're going to have 200 grams, but at least if we keep putting this bun in, it's going to have as much bun as it is digestive, and then at least then we can weigh it and it's all kind of mixed more together. Bun and cheesecake, that is it. See that, people? I feel like that's good still. That you got all the little fruits from the bun in there as well. I feel like that consistency is good. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to melt 175 grams of unsalted butter, and we are going to mix the melted butter in with this. That is it, people. Just want to melt this butter, and then we're going to mix that in with the bun and the digestives, and bun and the digestives, and press it down into a cake tin. But I'll show you our one. Fully active, it's Easter, people. Big up yourself. Hear that? That is pretty much done now. Might be on a little bit too much of a high heat, but it's all good. It's nearly melted. That is it, people. So we're just gonna put the butter in here now. In here now. Already put some in already. I just want to proper mix this up and get this all mixed together. And this, look at that. And this is gonna go in the refrigerator. And we're gonna let it cool down while we do the rest. That is it, people. Good vibes. Let's give this a proper mix in. Make sure there's no dry bits. Yeah. So we're just squashing it down now, people. At a level capacity, if that's even the right word. Yeah. All right. I think we're kind of pretty much there. Yeah. As you can see. Right, I'm just gonna flatten this out a little bit more, make it a little bit more perfect. And then this will go into the fridge. Yeah, that is it, people. This is ready to go in the refrigerator. And that does wrong with my words today. And yeah, as you can see. Cooking vibes, it's Easter, man. You know what I'm saying? Bun and cheesecake, different thing today, you understand? That is it, people. All right, so now we're mixing in the mascarpone cheese. I think I used about 350 of this and 400 of the cream cheese. We've got more cream cheese to put in as well. But yeah, that's the mascarpone. I don't even know how to explain it, but basically we're gonna have to mix this up. Yeah, this is gonna have to get blended all together. And then we're gonna add some icing sugar, which I never even showed yet. Right, at this point, people, you're gonna need an electric mixer, but I ain't got one. So you're gonna have to put in some elbow grease. Ladies, calm down. I'm only joking. Listen, you're just gonna have to proper mix this around. If you ain't got an electric blender, it needs to be fluffy and nice and light. Otherwise, yeah, put some elbow grease in. I tried to use that, didn't work. The fork is working much, but I don't know what's wrong with my words today. Happy Easter, everybody. Fully active. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing and press that like button. Get the video. Yeah, I think we're pretty much there. Now, we're gonna add in some icing sugar. Now, I'm just adding in the icing sugar there, people. Now you wanna sieve it in bit by bit. And then stir it in. 200 grams of icing sugar sieved. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna mix what we've got in here so far. As you can see, it's getting a really nice, light consistency now. You know what I'm saying, people? Hold on a minute. As you can see. Yeah, man. Happy Easter, everyone. I hope you have a brilliant day. Don't eat too much chocolate, too much bun and cheese. Try some bun and cheesecake. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. I need to brush my hair. A little vanilla extract has gone in there, people. And that is the last thing we're going to add to it. Now we're going to get our base out of the fridge and add this to it. Yeah. Fully active. Now we're just going to spread this lovely mixture on top of the bun and digestive base. You know what I'm saying? I could advise people. That looks really satisfying, doesn't it? Why is that so satisfying? Should we just watch? I'm only joking, people. Let's get this done. Yeah, good vibes, man. Nearly there. I don't think we need much more than that anyway. Last little bits. That is it. Now there should really be a knife to do this. I won't be able to get, you know what I mean? Because the way the dish that I'm using is shaped. So I just want to get this as smooth as possible, people. But we're nearly there. Oh, good vibes. As you can see, people, there we have the base with the bun and the digestives. And we got the cheese on top and everything. A good vibe. Now we're just going to cover this up with some cling film and put this in to the refrigerator for a good couple of hours. That is it. Happy Easter, everybody. If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing and press that like button. Get the video moving. Fully active. It's been overnight. Yeah, I left it in there overnight. Now, it doesn't look perfectly smooth, but I was going to cough them. It doesn't look perfectly smooth, but we have got a bun and cheesecake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it up, people. You know what I'm saying? Make it, try and look a little bit better than it does already. Because it doesn't look that great right now. We're going to try and spruce it up, little pieces. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Bun and cheesecake. And that is it, people. There we go. Bun and cheesecake. I'm going to be honest with you, it didn't work the best. The top's a little bit sloppy. It's not set right. I don't know what I did wrong, but people just make the topping better. That's all I can tell you. I've tried to salvage enough to make it look half decent, and this is what I've got. Not everything works in life, but I reckon if you follow this recipe, you can make it work from learning from my mistakes. Too much cream cheese. Yeah, way too much. Too much, and it didn't set properly. But we have got bun and cheesecake either way. So happy Easter, everyone. You know what I'm saying? Let's taste it, because that's the main thing. Do you know what I'm saying? All right, people. It doesn't look the best. I've just tried a little bit for a TikTok video. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. It doesn't look the best, but it's good. It's really good. You can proper taste the bun in the base with the digestive. You can proper taste the bun. Yo, it's actually banging. Anyhow, the cheese bit on top was just a little bit thicker and a little bit more steady, it would have been perfect. But regardless, we got bun and cheesecake. You know what I'm saying? Big up the show, people. I'm fully active. Before I let you hear that. I'll see you next time.